Hey everybody, my name is Josh with Dara Holsters, and today I'm going to be going over my kit that I use and some of my storage solutions that I also use for all my stuff. So next up would be my plate carrier. So this is a Spiritus Systems LV119. Right now I have it set up with just the 5.56 placard, but I also have the Mark IV fighting kit, I think that's what this is called, with the 5.56 inserts. So I can carry 3 mags with this, and I can carry up to 6 mags with this. Right now how it's set up is I can carry 4 in here, and then I have this flap for a little admin stuff, write in the rain notebook, pencil or pen, things like that. So that's mostly what I use this for. I can get up to 6 mags in this though. So with this, I've got my placard. I have the Dangler Pouch. Mostly what I keep in here is some extra comm stuff, batteries, chem lights. I also have a mini first aid kit. So most of the time, injuries, I mean, obviously you have the IFAC for major traumatic injuries, gunshot wounds, massive bleeding, things like that. Most of the time, when I run into an injury, either myself or someone else out at the range, it's something small. I don't need a tourniquet for it. I don't need quick clot gauze. I don't need all that stuff. I need a Band-Aid, some antibiotic ointment, maybe somebody burns themselves on their suppressor, something like that, so I've got burn cream. So in this little pouch here, this is just one I got on Amazon. All I needed was a zippered pouch. I've got eye drops, triple antibiotic ointment, burn gel, 2 different size fabric bandages. I've got some Advil. I've got some non-adherent dressing. I've got hydrocortisone cream, and I've got BZK towelettes or wipes. It's like an antibiotic, kind of like iodine wipe. And then I've got a couple of the zip closures in case somebody had a large laceration or something like that. I find this is what I reach for 99% of the time when someone has an injury. I have yet to use any massive trauma stuff from my IFAC, but having a little kit like this it's great. Everybody always comes say, "Hey, I got a headache. Here's some Advil. I cut myself on something. Here's some antibiotic ointment and a Band-Aid." So that's what I keep in this little Dangler pouch. This Dangler pouch, the contents change all the time. Sometimes it's full of batteries, sometimes I'm running a 3-gun thing where you gotta wear plate carrier, so there's shotgun shells, or we're going to do night stuff, it's chem lights. So the contents of this change quite often. On the bottom of that, I have another tourniquet. Tourniquets are always good to have, good to know how to use them. Quality tourniquets are good to have. So this is the LV119, the overt plate carrier system, and I have the regular Molly cummerbund with the Velcro. I don't have the tubes or anything like that, and I don't really like the elastic cummerbunds. That's just a personal preference. Off to the side here, my comm system is a Motorola XTS 5000, and I have a push-to-talk here. The push-to-talk is from Disco 32. They make a lot of good stuff. And the antenna I'm running is the Disco 32 cattail antenna. It's a flexible antenna. I route it through my plate carrier. Now the SWR on this antenna, if you know what SWR means, you know the radio stuff. It's not as good as like an extendable whip. I've got extendable whips, and if you guys want to, I'll do a whole nother video on all my comm stuff. I've got a whole case full of comms and electronic stuff I can bring in. If you want to hear more about that or want me to do some radio videos, put some in the comments. Say you want to see the nerd stuff. So that radio sits inside the Spiritus Systems, the radio carrier. I like this one. I like having all the Spiritus stuff matching because it's all meant to go with each other. So works great in there. Holds the radio, no issues whatsoever. Inside the plate carrier, we get some comments every once in a while saying the plate carriers are so thin, there's no plates in them, or or they're using steel plates. So I can assure you, no one here uses steel plates. These are good quality. Everyone that's in these videos is using good quality plates. The plates in mine are Premier Body Armor. These are level 4. These ones, I'm not sure if they make anymore, but these are about the lightest level 4 plates I could find. They're just over 4.5 pounds each, so they're extremely light, and they are level 4. So I use a sappy plate in the back and a swimmer's cut in the front, just for a little bit more shoulder flexibility, so the plate doesn't dig into my shoulders if I'm running around doing stuff. So those are the plates that I use. I do run side plates the majority of the time. They're not on my kit right now because we were running in a match and there was no requirement for the plate carrier, so I took them off just to save a little bit of weight. My shoulder pads are LBT shoulder pads. Have a little bit more padding in them, I feel, than the regular Spiritus one, so I got those swapped out. But that would be everything on my plate carrier. All right. Next up, helmet and night vision.